So I've got some simple holiday training programs for you. The first one is just a basic pull-push workout.
That's right.
Exactly, that's right. So this one here, if I've got a handrail or if I've got a kitchen sink, I can get this done really simple. You've got a sink. So here, hold on. Squat down. And then work. I'm holding on. You can even do it with kids running around, no stress, no worries. Good boy. So if you do want to make that harder, you just do it as a single arm. So that's the sink or the handrail. Stand nice and close.
You do a thing.
Pull back.
Pull back.
Yeah. Pull yourself up, get that shoulder blade back. So just do 5 an arm if you're doing that, or 5 double. Then you can do a push up into a hand stretch.
Your block is catch me.
Stretch it out. And then that one, obviously, to make it harder, you can just do your normal knee push up into a down dog, or just a full push up. Yes. Kids love doing it with you too.
Yeah.
But just 2 movements, so you're getting a pull pattern, getting a bit of a squat when you're doing that pull, and then you're getting a push pattern, a push up, a bit of core work, and then a bit of a bend pattern, stretching out those hamstrings, opening up those shoulders to get that nice overhead position. So really simple, you might do 3 rounds of that, 5 minutes worth, 6 minutes worth, whatever, but really simple. For core with that one, just a really basic bridge front back. So 30 seconds aside, just pull your phone out so you can watch it. Click over, make it easier, make it harder. And then on the back,
I see something bad.
like that. So you should be able to get, in less than 10 minutes a day. If you're traveling, if you're, just before you go and have the hotel breakfast, whatever it is that's going on. You can get something done. Stay healthy. So yeah, get it done. If you want to, film it, show us. But yeah, it's always a way to keep moving.